Fixing edges and small cracks with cold tar mix stops damage from spreading and restores a smooth, durable surface. Start by removing any loose debris, dirt, vegetation, and dust from the crack or edge using a wire brush, screwdriver, or compressed air so the cold tar bonds to solid material. For cracks smaller than 1/4 of an inch, widen them slightly with a crack screwdriver or awl to create a clean V-shaped profile that the material can key into. For edges that are crumbling, cut back to sound asphalt with a cold chisel until you reach firm substrate. Lightly roughen smooth surfaces with the wire brush and, if available, apply a small amount of cold asphalt primer according to the product instructions to improve adhesion. If no primer is used, ensure the surface is bone dry and free of oils. When applying cold tar mix, work from the deepest part of the crack upward, pressing the mix firmly in with a narrow putty knife or trowel so there are no air gaps, and overfill slightly to allow for compaction. Compact the repair by stamping with a tamper, the back of a shovel, or firmly pressing with a block of wood wrapped in cloth until the patch is level with the existing surface. For edges, compact in layers if the damaged area is deeper than 1/2 of an inch. Once the mix has begun to set but is still pliable, scrape off excess with the flat edge of the putty knife or a broom handle so the finish matches the surrounding pavement, then allow full cure time specified on the product label before reopening to traffic or vehicles. Common mistakes include applying the mix to a dirty or wet surface, which prevents bonding and leads to early failure, so always clean and dry the area first and use a primer if recommended. Another frequent error is undercompacting the material, which leaves voids and causes sinking. Press the mix firmly and repeat compaction in thin lifts for deeper repairs. A third issue is inserting cold mix when temperatures are too low or when the product is past its shelf life, which reduces cohesion. Check the manufacturer guidance for usable temperature ranges and inspect the mix for separation or excessive crusting before use. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by making it easy to post projects and get responses from nearby professionals relevant to precision repairs. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences to help each other find better solutions.